Hey guys, how's it going? So tonight I'm going to show you my bedtime skincare routine. These are the products I use on my face today. So I usually do a double cleanse, and I use this cream cleanser by the Ordinary, and it really helps to get the makeup on the surface of my skin really well. So that way when I use my next cleanser, it can get in there very deep and get rid of anything I don't want in my pores. The double cleansing method can be very beneficial for those who are acne prone or are prone to getting clogged pores. I'm prone to getting clogged pores, so this is why this method works very well for me. I do not like leftover makeup on my face, so this is A1. The cleanser I've been using is Soap & Glory Vitamin C Facial Wash, and this is good so far. I haven't used it for long, but it has a very refreshing feeling, and it has these micro beads, I'm assuming are the vitamin C, but it feels really good in the morning. And I use that with my Foreo sonic device. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing it right, but I got it when I used to work at Sephora. Honestly, I've had it for like almost 5 years, and it's the best device ever. Like, you could charge it for like a half hour and it will last you like 6 months without charging. It's a great investment. If you ever get the chance to, please get it. It'll make your life so much easier. Next, I'm using the Caffeine solution by The Ordinary. This works really well for puffy eyes, tired eyes, everything in that category. This is an antioxidant serum by The Ordinary. I'm not going to pronounce it because I will butcher that. But I like to use this before any creams that I'm going to apply on my face. This just helps to replenish any nutrients your skin has lost on the surface. Now I'm using the Hydrobiotic sleeping mask by Dr. Brandt. I haven't been using this very long, but it works really well to keep my skin hydrated at night. So if it does anything, I'll say that. But I feel like this is something that you would have to use for a while to really notice the results. Next, I'm using my Jade Roller just to let the product sink in much more and kind of give my skin a little mini massage before bed. That way I can help to facilitate these products being absorbed into my skin. To remove fine lines or to diminish fine lines, you can use the Jade Roller over those lines after you've applied your products. That will help that a lot over time. And also, I found that if you use the Jade Roller under your cheekbones to help contour, it actually makes a difference. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but when I was doing it and I saw myself in the mirror, I was like, oh, that actually works. So, I mean, it's something you can try. I don't know if it will last over time, but I'm sure if you do it enough, you'll get nice contoured cheeks. So now I'm using my Burt's Bees, and just to keep my lips nice and soft throughout the night. And now that that's done, it's time for bed. Good night. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up. Bye.